Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare related video. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be talking about four things that that are worsening your breakouts and acne. If you're an acne prone skin, normal skin, whatever skin type you are, these things are the things that are actually making you break out, and you're panicking and stuff like that. They're actually simple tips that you are not doing that is making you break out or have acne frequently. So yeah, if you want to know how to curtail this breakouts and acne that happen to you frequently, then you should definitely keep on watching this video. So yeah, let's get right into today's video. So yeah, the first thing that people actually take for granted that actually causes you to break out or have acne frequently is your pillowcase, my darlings. Like your pillowcase, you should change your pillowcase frequently because yeah, by using perfumes or detergents or bleaches might actually cause you to break out as well. So it depends on the kind of like the bleach or the detergent you're using to wash your pillowcase, that can actually cause you to break out as well. So you should actually like keep noticing what causes breakouts in your body. Like when I started using this stuff, I think it started making me break out. I discovered I had one breakout here, then it started spreading all over my face. Then you should stop doing that thing. Like if you discover that this particular detergent is the reason why, or it was when you started using this detergent that you started breaking out, you should stop using that detergent because it isn't good for you. Yeah, you're actually reacting to that particular bleach or detergent to when washing your pillowcase with it, your bedsheet with it. So you should stop using it. So yeah, another thing that can cause your breakout to get worse is, for people that use makeup quite often, how you take off your makeup is also quite important. Like you should try as much as possible to use oil to cleanse your face first. You should like make sure that that makeup is like fully cleaned away from your face. Like if you don't want to break out, or if you break out and you don't want it to actually get worse, so yeah, you should cleanse it with oil first. Like oil cleanse it, then you can actually use toners and cleanse face wash to wash your face, and you can wipe it. You can also use your black soap. If you have black soap, you can wash your face with the black soap, so that to make sure that yes, that yes, my face has been rid of all sorts of makeup. So yeah, because if this makeup actually stays on your face till like you sleep with it and you wake up with it, like your face won't be able to like get what it needs to repair itself during the night, because it is during the night that your face actually has a chance to like rejuvenate itself, get itself together. And if you don't get rid of that makeup, it's going to disturb like the purpose or what your face needs to have recovered before the day breaks. So yeah, you should try as much as possible to like when you do makeup, you should cleanse it like properly cleanse it off. There are cleansers that you can use that can actually, that are alcohol free, like the Neutrogena cleanser. You can use it to cleanse your face. Then from you're using this cotton wipes or cotton pads so another thing that is causing breakout or frequent acne for you is, you know, so many people are on this table, they are breaking this table seriously. Like stop popping that pimple on your face. Like stop popping it. It's annoying. Stop doing it. Like when you pop that pimple on your face, it's going to like cause dark spots, and dark spots are not easy to like erase, or yeah, it stays. And the particular place you keep popping your pimples, the pimples will keep occurring at that particular place, and it will keep making your acne worse or your breakouts to be worse. So you should try as much as possible to resist that urge to pop that pimples. I know you're going to get relief, but the relief that you get is going to be like a small thing compared to when you don't pop it. So try as much as possible to resist that urge to pop that pimple right on your face, darlings. Yeah, please don't pop it, it's not good. So yeah, another thing you should try as much as possible to stop doing, or this is affecting your face, or is making you have frequent acne, or is making you break out, is that you keep washing your hair over your face. Like, nobody will really think of that as something that can affect your make you break out, but it makes you break out. Like, I discovered that all everybody, even me, I'm sitting on this table, like, whenever I wash our hair, we wash it over our face. And when we wash it over our face, the dirt, everything, the conditioner, the shampoo, we keep washing it over the face. And I noticed that whenever we finish washing our hair like that, all we do is just rinse our face. So rinsing our face isn't just enough to, like, wash all the dirt and dandruff and everything. Another thing that you guys are not taking note of and can be responsible for worsening your acne or make you break out is using the same soap you use in bathing to wash your face as well. Your face soap should be different from your body soap, because the type of skin you have on your face is quite different from the type of skin you have on your body. So when a particular soap that you use for your body is good for your body, it might not actually work for your face as well. So you should try as much as possible, whenever you're taking your bath, you shouldn't wash your face. When you're done taking your bath, then you can go to the tub, use a cold water, and use the soap that you think is good for your face. After enough research, finding out and stuff, when you find out this is actually good for your face, or you discover this type of skin that you have on your face first by doing a test. So I have a video on how to determine your skin type, so I'll leave the link up here for you guys to check it out. And maybe that will make you know what skin type your face belongs to before getting that soap that you use to wash your face. Then when you get out of the shower, then you can wash your face at the tap that soap. So yeah, these are things that you're not taking note of, or that you're not seeing as being a big deal and are actually big deal, that are causing you to break out often. So yeah, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, put your notifications on my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my other platform. I'll leave my social media link here on IG for you guys to actually follow me. I make great content on Instagram as well.